Hey guys, Mr. Andrew here. Today I have a very short tutorial explaining how to use an extension called Kami that we have for Google Chrome. It's a very useful little extension that allows us to edit directly any kind of PDF file, either through a text box or using our little pen, okay? But I have a very special guest today called Axel from Year 5, and he's going to explain what you need to do. Take it away, Axel.
Hello, today I will be showing you guys how to download your thing. So here you will have to go to for example, if you want to do the don't exercises, you click there. Here up top it says open with Kami, click there and it opens with Kami. So now what you want to do is obviously do the exercises. You go on the text box, you click there. It's not yours because it's Andrew's. So you have to create a copy. Hit on create a copy. Easy. So now you have to authorize Google Drive. You click on your account. Easy. And now you can, with the text box, you can write whatever. When you finish doing the exercises, you have to, once you did them all, here up top it says download. Click there. Make it with your computer and with all annotations, so everything you wrote down with the text box is saved. Here you can put the name and you click on begin export. And there you go. Everything has been downloaded.
That was a wonderful explanation, Axel. Okay, great. So some of you guys have been having problems with the permissions, yeah? So what you need to do is you need to go here to the top right of your screen where here it says AP, because those are my initials, yeah? Yours will be something different. And you click there. You go to settings, okay? Here you can see settings, yeah? If we click on settings, it opens up in a new tab the settings to change Kami's options. What we need to do is we need to go down a little bit, keep on going down, okay, and down into settings, yeah? Once we see this here, we see it says here Google Drive, yeah? Install to Google Drive. If we click on that little box there, okay, we get a pop-up that tells us to choose an account. What we need to do is choose the one from our school, okay? Here I have various different ones. Make sure you choose the one from your school, okay? And that's it. Now here it says success, install to Drive. And that hopefully will mean that you won't have any more problems with that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to use Kami. I'll see you in the next class. Bye.